Friend, this is @IOldMonk, and today we are with the Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1. So the name is definitely very big. It comes with the VoLTE support. As far as the box pricing is written, it is around 13,199, but I guess it will be around 12,999 or 12,199. And as far as the storage is concerned, it comes with a 32 GB of storage, 3 GB of RAM, 5000 milliampere battery. It comes with the octa-core processor, 636. It has a 5.99-inch full view display. It has a full HD display plus, and the device comes with the 5000 milliampere battery, which is the key highlight feature of the device. Now we are going to unbox the device and check how it is. So here you can see in the box we are getting a SIM card ejector tool. There are some warranty card guides and the user manual. Skipping that part, there is the smartphone. The smartphone is little bit heavy, but it looks good, and we will right now boot it. It looks pretty much similar to Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let the smartphone get booted up. In the meanwhile, we will check it out in the box what is also there. So here you can see there is a micro USB charging slot. And this is the micro USB charging slot. It is not type C. This is the charger. Here you can pause the video and check the rating of the charger. It is definitely not the fast charger what we have experienced. Now skipping all those parts, going back to the mobile phone. In the phone you get a 13 plus 5 megapixel rear setup with LED flash. In the top you are getting a noise cancellation mic. There is a fingerprint sensor also at the back. In the bottom you are getting a 3.5mm jack with micro USB charging slot and speaker grills. On the side you are getting a SIM card slot. It comes with the dual SIM card slot and a micro SD card. It means that it has 3 slots. So definitely you are not getting a hybrid one. The front you are getting a 8 megapixel front camera with LED flash, and overall the device is a good competitor to Redmi Note 5 Pro. We will do a detailed review with Redmi Note 5 Pro very soon. You will find the video details in the bottom. But as far as the highlight is concerned, it comes with a 5000 milliampere battery. It has a stock Android, and one thing I faced that there is a fingerprint issue. The fingerprint sensor is not working properly. Here you can see I am trying too much, but it is not working. So the fingerprint recognition is really very slow, and the stock Android is something that we have seen the Micromax and the other devices very earlier, but right now this kind of stock Android we haven't seen. As far as the processor is concerned, it is octa-core processor, Snapdragon 636. Display is 5.99-inch full view display. RAM is 3 GB, memory is 32 GB. As far as the camera is concerned, it is 13 plus 5 megapixel camera. In the front it is an 8 megapixel camera. It is running on Android 8.1 Oreo, and it has a 5000 milliampere battery. Definitely the phone is very loud because it has a 5 magnet speakers. So the audio quality comes out very loud, but there is no silicone cover, back cover in the box. You might get a sound booster small attachment, and here you can see the attachment how it looks like. It is just a stand kind of thing, but it will enhance the audio of the device. And going back to the device, it looks pretty normal. The OS is still not polished, I will say. It needs a little bit upgrade. The Google Assistant is not working right now with the device, and it kind feels like a metal, but it is a plastic body. It is not a metal body. And as far as the benchmark are concerned, they are definitely little on the higher side, but not going on that part. The device also comes with some of the gesture features which you will get in the device, but there is definitely no bloatware in the device what we always get to see in the Asus phone. Here is the camera. The camera app is little buggy, and we will go and check. These are the modes which you are getting: the SDR mode, the portrait mode, landscape mode, sports mode, flower mode, backlight, candlelight, and sunset, night light, beach, snow. So these are some of the modes what you are getting with the phone, and you can try and click them. There is also some filters in the phone. It has some filters, and also that in the you can change to the front camera. The front camera comes with the LED flash. There is also portrait mode, and also in the settings you can get and change the picture settings. You want a high quality 13 megapixel camera or a low quality. In the video shooting mode you get a 4K recording can also shoot 4K raw files. There is a little lag while taking the pictures, so I guess a little update can fix that. But still we are facing some lag while clicking the pictures. The camera is not up to the mark. It is little dull in front of other cameras. But right now it offers a stock Android camera. This is a Snapdragon camera. This is not the normal camera what you get, the Google camera. Here you can see we are trying to take, the autofocus is not working at all, and you can see it takes some time. It is lagging and taking pictures is little bit late. But overall the device, if we go and check the camera samples, it come out well, but the portraits are not impressive as we thought here. So I will show you this photo, and here you can see the detailing of the hair is not, the edges are not been cut very properly. So definitely the software needs to be upgraded or be worked on. But overall in the other front camera it takes out well, not the portrait shot. So definitely Asus have to work in this. The color saturation is good, but still I feel that the camera is little laggy. But overall, as for the device coming for less than 13,000, this is really a good smartphone, and the speakers are really loud, which I like, and the battery, I haven't tested how long it can work or perform. But overall this was all about Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1. This is @IOldMonk. Signing off. Please like the video, share the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.